Hello and welcome. Today let's do it the Mikrotik installation on Pinet Lab. Of course. So first, open the VM and press enter, login root, password Pinet. Then we are going to say, let me move this one a bit more up. Right. I share, search, Mikrotik. Let's see. And there we go. We have few version of Mikrotik. So let's do it. I share pull pull Mikrotik dash 6.42.6.42.9 dash. Just let sorry. And that's all. Then it should be in. Let's see. Node. Maybe I need to refresh, I think. Close. And open it again. Let's see if I got Mikrotik, and there we go, and is here. So just put Mikrotik here and network, then management console. Then we are going to connect to internet. Then we need the PC. So node virtual PC, right. Then connect this guy here to the router. And at this point we need to download Winbox. Let's see how. So open the page and Mikrotik Winbox. Let's see. So software, or I don't know, maybe download. Let's see. And should be download. Should be somewhere. Winbox. Winbox 64 bits. There we go. Now allowed. Probably you receive a pop-up, then you need to allow the Winbox. Alright, so at this point, as you know actually, because I just did now, we don't have any MAC address or configuration here, right? So turn it on. Let's see. Open the console. And just wait. Now Winbox, I will try now as well, but usually on the real life with the real equipment, Winbox can discover the router by the MAC address. Just press refresh and then you will see here all MAC address. But of course, if you have the IP, you can just type the IP, obviously. Just wait and let's see if it's starting. Okay, so the image probably is faulty because cannot boot up. I mean, the router is booting up, but the console is remain black. So we can do that. We can go to Mikrotik again, and we can download the image. The image, then see the image. Let me see what version is stable, long term. Okay, we can take this one. Then let me see if we have something else. Switch and router. Okay, then okay. So we can download the image. Then I'm going for this. Then we need to open this one, the WinSCP. Then new site. We need to connect. No, sorry, just wrong. We need to connect to our VM. So this one, pnet, of course, VM. SP 192.168.0.119 root pnet when we are connected. So my folder is a root. Then we go to OPT. Then unit lab. Then we go to add-ons. Then let's see if it's here, QM, Mikrotik. So we see we have two folder here. So let me see, this one is 47.10. There is anything more new than this? So it's okay then. So just create another folder, and we call the same way here, Mikrotik dash 6. Let me see, 6.47.10. So then we are going to copy the file I just downloaded. Let me open the folder on the other screen. Take this one and moving here. And moving here, so it's there, perfect. So at this point, what we need to do is open the VM here. Then we need to go there, so cd opt unit lab qm why don't take automatically, cd add-ons qm and Mikrotik 6.7.10. That's all. Less easier. So at this point, what we need to digit is a MV, sorry, Mikrotik dash 6.47 10.10.iso in this case to cd-rom.iso. Then you should be here, you see, it's refreshed. So at this point we need to convert this one. So for do that we need to digit qemu -emg create -f qcow2 and virt. Let me see how he call. No, hda. All right then. So come here and sorry, I lost my mouse. hda dot qcow2 and give 10G, should be more than enough. I think, to be honest, even 1G. Just 30 megabit. I'll give it 2G. And press enter. And let's see. So at this point, let's go and see what is done. This one can be deleted. Come back to our Pinet Lab. Let me check if we have the new version. Is this one, and save. Then wipe. Then we try again, but let's see if it works. It's booting up. It's not starting. Okay, now it's booting up. Basically, I pause the video and just come back. But basically, if it doesn't work, you have to close the lab and open again. So it's fine. So at this point, take this one. You see, it's already here. So we say connect, and we are on the GUI of Mikrotik. So the IP is 0.138. It's taken from DHCP, but if you want, you can set automatically. So it's 1. Then you see here, say auto and traffic. You see, you have a lot of things here. So let's stop the interface. For do that, you can use quickset. See, router or bridge automatically, or static if you want. And the gateway is 192.168.0.1, and let's see one things. Right. First, you know what? It's a long time I don't see the Winbox. I want to actually update the image. Let me see. There is somewhere here there is the update upgrade. Should be under system. How to update? Let's see if we can see something. No. There is no available update. If I want to upgrade the image, okay, So system, then there is packets, then check for updates. Here you have a different of stable, long-term testing or development. So long-term and download installation. And let's see what's going on. Then see, I remember this kind of GUI. It's nice because it gives you lots graphics. So right, close. Of course, now I say rebooting. It's connecting again because I have to reboot. Let's see. If it's actually do something, and then we are going to connect. We're going to set up our network. Okay, and there you go. So basically, let's do it step by step. So users, we need to set our username because by default is admin, but you maybe need more users, or you want to change the password. So system users. You see here admin is full right. Then of course you can change the password if you want, or otherwise you can leave like this. Of course on pnet you can leave like this because on the real world you must change the password. So for example user crazynet full, then password 123456 123456, apply, and okay, and the users has been created. Okay, we are going to add the IP to our interface ETH2. So for do that we need to go to IP address, add 192.168.10.1/24, and no, and select this one, this ETH2, and apply. Then okay, close this one. Let's open my PC, so the console of this one. Let's try if I can ping. I can ping. So now, of course, I cannot go on internet. I don't think I can go on internet. Let me try to ping internet. In fact, so we need to configure the NAT. For NAT configuration, so basically we need to go, well, close this one. We need to go to IP, then firewall, then NAT, then add, of course. So source NAT, apply, and then action, and select masquerade, and then apply. So at this point it should be fine like that. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. So obviously this is not many to one. It's like for internet, but if you want to do not one to one, etc., etc., of course you have to do other tasks. So let me see here. Connection, of course, this is the logs, and then it's only me. This is the VM. Address list, port service. All right. So, and that's all basically for NAT configuration. That's all. I think it's everything. If you want see the firewall, so let's go a bit around the filter rules, add, and then here you have here all action, then you can set. So this is a general, so you specify the action, like a forward, input, output, source address, destination address, protocol, and the action. If you want to accept or drop, or just pass through, reject, return, etc. And then when you set the filter, you will see the filter in action. Here you have a PPO interface, so interface, PPO server, the password, etc., etc. So it's alright, like a router. I mean, it's cheaper, it's free if you want to set your environment for VM, and it works pretty well. I used to use it, and of course, it's not like, for example, Cisco, etc., but it's alright, it's not bad. And if you want to see more labs with Mikrotik, just leave a comment, and then I will show you some labs with Pinet. But this is the first installation of Pinet on my, the first installation of Mikrotik on my Pinet. Then just for intro, nothing fancy. But if you want, as I said, if you want more videos, just leave a message. And if you are not, please give me one like for support my channel, and if you are not subscribed yet, consider to do it. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.